Brother, me know you call the phone and tell about no match and the Reggae Boyz. You know? Me now watch some more match, my youth. I waste my time and stay up and watch match what day, man. I'm disappointed, my youth. Matter of fact, me vex. That naga happen, my youth. Matter of fact, me tell you something, my youth. If you see me watch more match, man, why you thump me in my face? Straight in my face, why you thump me, my youth? Because me now watch more match. Yo, party. Our station them say much a show up and our score stay. Remember say me I watch ball and I play ball from me yard and me knee, you know. If you get some easy star up man in cup, brother. The man them now use no brain and analytics in the game. Me can look on the field and tell you exactly what the team need. Brother, me love Jeffy for give me a month with the team. Matter of fact, 1 week more want. 1 week with the team and me show you a difference. Me show you results. The next thing will confuse me right now, right? You have a baller like Raheem Sterling. Jamaican born footballer, yo. And you see the World Cup are forward. And nobody not reach out to the man to come play for the squad.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Right now, Tommy see it, you know. Tap on the whole of Jamaica Futsal Federation and see if you cut left your program in a brother. You see, I'm even a good brother. Brother, they must have dragged down the program, brother. Look how long we have tried, brother, and we can't achieve nothing with them, brother. At time when them cut man and stop drag down the program like how such man have dragged down the country, brother. Top listen to the people and where so we not reach, brother. We are the top team in a CONCACAF right now. We don't even think I realize the caliber of players them we have in the squad right now. I call the squad not gel together yet. I say we now miss World Cup, me not ask Christ and put me head on the black feather one day. I'm wondering about this coaching staff, you know, if they understand what is going on with the football presently. They don't realize that the midfield is woefully lacking. And you might analyze the player stats as well, you know. The players are not being used to their full potential at all. Passing accuracy is very poor, you know, there are a lot of defensive mistakes and stuff. We can't get to Qatar like this, you know. Qatar? Brother, look like so you have cataract in the eye them. I can ask you what I'm going, brother. Brother, when I reach now, you know, when I reach World Cup, let's take that out of your brain. Let's tell one. Oh, what team, brother? I'll tell some people what they know. I want the ship a sink, me I go down with it, you know. Brother, I mean, I jump off, I want the ship a sink, I feel the country and like someone club side, you see me? And we say never die, you know? Never say die. See colors them, you never say die. Jamaica to the world.